Good morning. So it's been a foggy morning today, but it's starting clearing up a little bit and we are getting ready to head out. So we'll leave Bar Harbor and we're going back to our port. But it's still a little foggy, so we might be in a fog on and off today. Oh, I can't see the island.
No, the island's gone.
Oh, no island. Wow. We can barely make up the boat next to us that is running generator. Yes?
Is your nav light? Power nav?
Power nav?
No.
Yep. Free! Ooh! Huh? Free? Okay. Oh. All right. Nice and slow. Oh.
Zippers are easier to manage than the...
I can see.
I'm gonna go up in the bow and look around.
Okay.
You okay driving?
Yeah.
You want to go to cruising speed or are you good here?
I'm cruising. Speed.
Yeah.
1.8. 800?
1800.
Yeah.
I guess we are. Well, we're only doing 5 knots.
Maybe we're against the current.
No, it should be... It could be incoming still for another hour. Another hour. Should be pretty small current though.
Don't see anything, so on the chart.
So you got the radar on, you get your chart.
Yeah.
AIS.
I hear it blast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see them right there.
Alakai, Alakai, Alakai. This is sailing vessel Eve. Yeah, this is sailing vessel Eve. We're just about midway through the marked anchorage here. We see you coming in northbound. Wanted to make sure you see us.
Yeah, they've got a visual on you. Fast to the north of you. I'm going to be making a turn.
Roger that. Standing by on 16. Port to port.
Port to port.
You can curve over a little bit. So they're going to cross in front of our bow. They're going faster than we are. They shouldn't be moving. They should be anchored.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the cat ferry. One of them coming in.
You can see the fog hanging in there. That's so cool. Layers of fog. There's a schooner out. There is looks like a ferry on anchor, and we have inbound boat that we just hailed.
You get the schooner.
I think I see another. There's a small boat crossing.
There's a boat out there, yeah.
Yeah.
That could be, that's probably a Acadia pilot. That will go out and go onto the bridge of the cruise ship to help them come in. So the pilot boat is generally the boat that ferries the pilot captain back and forth or helps guide cruise ships in. There's some lobster pots.
Yeah. You hear blast?
Yeah. They're 0.3 miles away, but we can't see them.
Wow.
Not with our eyes.
No.
Quarter mile now.
Can't see. I see mountains.
Yeah, they're really good.
My hair all soaked from the fog.
Alright, we gotta turn 20 degrees to starboard now.
20 degrees. Ooh.
Right now.
500 feet visibility.
That buoy is at 400 feet as we pass it.
This is like the thickest fog I think I've ever been in. Oh, I need to move a little bit. Start seeing land.
Something over here too. The fog might actually have lifted a little bit.
I see.
Yeah, there's another boat over there. So I got a radar target over there now too. This is interesting. They were over here and they drove across this way. And I think what happened is when the boat crossed near the red buoy, the target shifted from the boat, from the vessel to the buoy. And it lost the vessel. And now I think the vessel is over here. But the mappa target isn't, it's not moving anymore.
I think they're moving towards us.
Let's remove that target. I can reacquire it and tell you.
But you can see it. You can see things. We ran out of air horn, so we're doing a whistle. We're doing whistling. Painting.
Bob Ross painting.
Bob Ross painting.
There it is. Ambergris is coming out. I see them on AIS.
This is like a ghost through the.
That's Elizabeth E, I bet. Somebody behind us. Yeah, there's another lobster boat behind us. Yeah, there might be a boat approaching us on starboard.
I don't see anything.
I don't see it either.
I see them now.
Yeah, I see them now too.
Alright, so the fog is lifting.
Those are moored vessels.
Oh, there you go, just like that.
So.
And we can see again.
Oh, look at that. There are some power boats zipping around.
Alright, I'm slowing down. How thick fog is.